Unraveling Slang. The quirky phrase, Sparrow Fart. Hello, and welcome to our Quirky English Phrases series. Today, we're diving into a rather unusual but vivid piece of English slang, Sparrow Fart. This phrase might tickle your ears and baffle your mind at first, but don't worry, we'll explore its meaning and usage together. You might be scratching your head, wondering how a sparrow and its bodily functions could possibly be related to learning English. Sparrow fart is a colorful term used in some English-speaking countries, particularly in the UK and Australia, to describe the very early hours of the morning, when it's so early that only the sparrows are awake and about. The origin of this phrase is a bit foggy, but it's believed to be derived from the fact that sparrows are among the first birds to wake and make noise at dawn. The word, fart, although a bit rude, is used here to humorously emphasize how prematurely early it is. This expression is best used in informal situations, perhaps with friends or family when planning an event that requires an extremely early start. For example, we'll need to leave at Sparrow Fart if we want to avoid traffic. Understanding the cultural context of slang is crucial. Sparrow fart is not commonly used in all English-speaking countries, and in some places, it might be met with confusion or even offense due to the vulgar word, fart. Always consider the setting and the company you're in when using such vivid slang. And that's a wrap on Sparrow Fart. We hope this video has been as fun to watch as it was to make. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the playful and creative ways we use words. Until next time, happy learning, and may your morning start a bit later than a sparrow fart.